Chapter 12. The 7-Day Gut Reset. Kickstarting Healing. Healing the gut doesn't have to take months or years. While deep, long-term healing requires consistency and patience, you can jumpstart the process in just 7 days by eliminating harmful foods, nourishing your microbiome, and reducing inflammation. This 7-Day Gut Reset is designed to quickly calm the digestive system, balance gut bacteria, and set the stage for long-term healing. The goal of this reset is not just a temporary cleanse, but a structured plan that removes gut irritants, provides essential nutrients, and promotes microbial balance. Even after just 1 week, you may notice improved digestion, reduced bloating, increased energy, and even clearer skin and mental focus. How the 7-Day Gut Reset works. This reset is based on 3 core principles: remove gut disruptors, eliminate inflammatory foods, toxins, and stressors that damage the gut lining and microbiome. Nourish with healing foods. Load up on gut-friendly nutrients that soothe and repair the intestinal barrier. Support the microbiome. Feed beneficial bacteria with probiotics and prebiotic-rich foods to restore balance. Each day is structured around clean, anti-inflammatory eating, stress reduction, and simple lifestyle habits that encourage gut healing. While 7 days is just the beginning, this reset helps you feel tangible improvements quickly and sets you up for continued progress. The 7-Day Gut Reset Plan, Day 1 to 2. Remove and reset, eliminate common gut irritants: gluten, dairy, refined sugar, alcohol, processed foods, and artificial additives. Stay hydrated. Aim for half your body weight in ounces of water daily. Add lemon, apple cider vinegar, or herbal teas to support digestion. Focus on easily digestible foods: bone broth, steamed veggies, wild-caught fish, and herbal teas help reduce inflammation and soothe digestion. Support detox pathways. Dry brushing, sauna sessions, or Epsom salt baths aid toxin elimination. Day 3 to 4. Replenish and heal. Increase gut healing foods. Fermented foods, sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, collagen-rich bone broth, aloe vera, and L-glutamine all help repair the gut lining. Add prebiotic foods: garlic, onions, asparagus, green bananas, and cooked cooled potatoes help feed good bacteria. Take a high-quality probiotic supplement to begin repopulating beneficial gut flora. Focus on stress reduction. Deep breathing, meditation, or gentle movement like yoga supports the gut-brain connection. Day 5 to 6. Restore and rebalance. Introduce fiber-rich whole foods: dark leafy greens, sweet potatoes, wild-caught salmon, nuts, and seeds help regulate digestion and support microbiome diversity. Eat anti-inflammatory herbs and spices. Ginger, turmeric, and oregano aid digestion and reduce inflammation. Prioritize sleep. Gut repair happens overnight, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of high-quality sleep. Day 7. Gut optimization. Assess how you feel. Are symptoms improving? Less bloating? More energy? Slowly reintroduce foods. If you eliminated grains, legumes, or dairy, add them back one at a time to identify sensitivities. Make a long-term plan. Decide which habits to maintain beyond the 7 days for sustained gut health. What to expect during the reset days 1 to 2. Some people experience temporary fatigue, mild headaches, or sugar cravings as the body detoxes. This is normal and usually subsides by day 3. Days 3 to 5. Digestion starts to feel more balanced, bloating decreases, and energy improves. Days 6 to 7. Increase mental clarity, more stable energy levels, improved skin, and better digestion. Beyond the 7-day reset. This plan is just the beginning. While 7 days can dramatically improve gut function, true healing requires long-term consistency. After completing the reset, you can gradually reintroduce foods, monitor reactions, and continue gut-friendly habits like fermented foods, bone broth, and stress management. By following this structured yet flexible approach, you're giving your gut the reset it needs to heal, thrive, and support whole body health. In the next chapter, we'll explore the top gut healing superfoods to continue your journey toward lasting gut wellness.